Hi Year 1, welcome to Miss Husband's section on Great Atlas Bake Off. Right, first off, I've got all my ingredients ready and now I'm going to wash my hands. Right, so now we need to preheat our oven. Please ask an adult to do that. It needs to be at 200 degrees so that can warm up whilst we get everything else ready. Next, mix the butter, caster sugar, brown sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be careful when you are cracking the egg not to get any shell in. Then add the flour and the salt into the egg mixture and give it another stir. After that, add the chocolate chunks. I've got some milk chocolate and white chocolate today, so you can choose whatever chocolate you would like. Add lots of chocolate, that's the best bit. Okay, this is the messy part. Now we need to break off a bit of the mixture and then we're going to roll it in our hands like this. And then we're going to place it onto our baking tray. So what I've done on my baking tray is I've sprinkled it with flour and put butter on so the cookies do not stick to the baking tray. When you put the dough down, make sure you leave some space in between so when they're cooking, the cookies don't join together. Next, ask an adult to place them in the oven. And they need to go in the oven for about 8 minutes, so set your timers. Finally, take them out the oven, make sure you are safe and with an adult. Oh, they smell good. And voila! Now they have finally cooled down. The best part about it all is that we get to eat them. So I'm about to devour these with a nice cup of tea. I would love to see if you do any baking at home, so please share on WeDuck. Enjoy!